Within the marine world, we can classify animals into two groups, invertebrates and vertebrates. A vertebrate is defined as an animal with spinal columns, and an invertebrate is any creature without one. 97% of Earth's animals fall into the invertebrate category. The ocean has a wide variety of invertebrates, which are broken up into different phylums. The largest marine phylum is Mollusca, meaning soft-bodied. There are three main mollusk classes. Let's start with the bivalve. A bivalve is going to have a shell divided into two parts. The majority of bivalves are filter feeders. They use gills for feeding and gas exchange and have no head or radula. The giant clam is the largest bivalve mollusk, which has the special ability to harness the sun's energy for growth and nutrition. Giant clams give a home to symbiotic algae which resides in its mantle. The algae is protected and in return gives the clam the products of the algae's photosynthesis, which the clam can use to make proteins and carbohydrates. Additionally, these compounds can help to deposit calcium carbonate, which is what the clam shell is made of. Gastropods are another class of mollusks. Most of these creatures have a shell, with the exception of the nudibranch and sea slugs. Many shells have an opening called an aperture, with a cover for safety, or operculum. The lightning whelk uses special sensory organs inside its body to smell its prey and nearly buries itself when searching for food. Commonly, the whelk feeds on bivalves like oysters and clams. When feeding, the whelk will attempt to pry open the bivalve by inserting the edge of its shell inside, using it like a crowbar. If this is unsuccessful, they will grind the shell with its own until it creates a hole large enough to insert its radula. Cephalopods, a group of free-swimming predators, are the most advanced of the mollusks. They have highly developed eyes and arms and tentacles with suction cups to hold prey. The octopus can burrow into crevices and holes because it lacks a shell structure. It can use its siphon to squirt water, propelling itself backwards with jet propulsion and releasing ink to hide itself and harm its enemies. Advancements like prey-paralyzing saliva and color-changing camouflage make them a unique addition to the phylum. Other animals, scientists, and even regular people rely on mollusks. They are vital to a healthy ecosystem and are a foundational piece of the food chain because they are a food source that many creatures rely on. All habitats have mollusks. They can be used for a variety of reasons outside of their normal food chain. Because mollusks are sensitive to slight environmental shifts, they can be used to determine early signs of global warming and habitat deterioration, which is vital for tracking the progression of these issues. They also produce a wide range of biotoxins and metabolites that are used in medical research. Even the commercial exploitation for human consumption is an important part that they play. The mollusk phylum is a key addition to the biodiversity of the ocean and the earth.